morning students. Today we learn new topic in second year unit 1B, disorders of the respiratory system. So first one is the asthma. So it is disorder of difficulty in breathing, cases due to inflammation. Mainly the inflammation can be seen in bronchi and bronchioles. So here you can see in the nana. So the parts of in respiratory system. So this is the trachea. Yellow color is called as trachea, and this trachea dividing into and entering into right and left lung. So this is called as branchiae. So these branchiae can be directly some small branches can be divided. So this is called as bronchioles. So the inflammation mainly can be occurred in branchiae and bronchioles. So this is called as asthma, and the mainly symptoms of the asthma is the coughing, difficulty in breathing, and the wheezing in case of asthma. So in this allergic order, allergic causes releases of histamine and their inflammatory substances which causes contraction of the bronchi. So here you can see in diagrammatic nana. So this is normal candidate bronchi and bronchioles. So this is the affected asthma candidate. So in this way, bronchi and bronchioles directly inflammation can be occurred. So due to some releases of histamine and other substances. So this is the occupy and reduce the gases exchange. And the second one is the emphysema. So this is the chronic disorders, alveolar walls and damaged the walls collapse, due to which respiratory surface area of exchange of gases in decreased. So this is the mainly parts nana. So the trachea and dividing into branchiae, and the branchia directly dividing into small branches, that is called as bronchioles. These bronchioles, ending of bronchioles is attaching with that alveoli. So one is the most important for the MCET and NEET bits nana. So alveoli is the structurally functionally unit working in respiratory system. So in this way, the alveoli walls can be collapsed. So the merging of the alveolar walls. So in this way, so this is normal candidate alveoli and the affected emphysema candidates. So the merging of the alveoli walls and reduce the space and reduce the exchange of gases. So this is mainly major cause of this is the smoking of tobacco. And the third one is the bronchitis, is the inflammation of bronchi resulting in swelling of mucus lining of bronchi. The mucus lining can be formation in the bronchi nana. So here you can see differencing between the first one. So asthma, in this way the inflammation or swelling can be occurred in two bronchi and bronchioles. So here the bronchitis, the inflammation can be occurred only within the bronchi. So these can be directly mucus line can be formation. So in this way, increased mucus production and decrease the diameter of bronchi. So whenever the mucus can be formation in bronchitis, so that is the decreasing of the diameter of bronchi. So this is the reducing of the gases transport. So the symptoms is the chronic cough and the thick mucus can be formation. So sputum. So this is the normal way, normal candidates bronchitis bronchi. So this is the mucus line can be formation. And next one is the fourth one is the pneumonia. So this can be directly caused by the bacteria such as Streptococcus pneumonia, and also some certain virus, fungi and protozoans mycoplasma. So symptoms of the pneumonia, mainly the accumulation of the mucus in alveoli, impaired gases of exchange of gases leading to death if untreated. So the bacteria Streptococcus pneumonia or protozoans or some of the virus, fungi, mycoplasma directly deposition in that lungs. So these disease called as pneumonia. So the patients of the pneumonia, approximately the courses will be followed approximately six months to 1 year. So if in case not properly maintain the courses, in some cases death cases also recorded. And next one is the occupational respiratory disorders. First one is the asbestosis. It occurs due to chronic exposure to asbestosis dust in people working in asbestosis industries. So these occupational disorders mainly, so it can be depend on the uh, working of nature of the candidate workers. So some candidates working in that mines, coal mines, and some of the uh, paint industries. So in this way, so who are working in asbestosis industry, so that candidates mainly affected to asbestosis dust. So in this way, this disease called as asbestosis. So here you can see, Nana, asbestosis microfibers very minute in level. So microfibrosis directly entering into lungs. So this is disease called as asbestosis. And second occupational respiratory disorder is the silicosis. So it occurs because long term exposed to silica dust in people working in mining industries and quarries. So some of the candidate working in quarries and some mining industries, the dust particles, sand particles directly entering into silica particles, directly entering into air, and within the air directly inhalation and deposition within the alveoli in the form of silica dust. So here you can see in the alveoli dust. So alveoli silica dust can be in deposition. So this disease called as silicosis. And the third one is the siderosis. So this disease mainly seen in iron cutting shops and steel cuttings area. So whenever that in disease, deposition of inhaled iron particles in tissue level. So whenever in cutting of iron and something steel cuttings, so the iron particles directly entering into air, so the very in minute level. So whenever inhalation of these iron particle directly deposition in tissues, so in different it may be some different types of siderosis such as pneumoconiosis and the hyperthermia and hemosiderosis. And final one is the black lung disease. So it mainly seen in Singareni coal mines area. So it is lung disease that develops from inhalation of coal dust. So in Singareni coal mines area, so the coal color is very black in color. So this is mainly common in long time coal mine workers, Nana. So this is the normal lung, and this is the who are working in that coal mines area. So commonly the coal is very black in appearance. So these black coal dust directly entering into lungs, so that's why the black lungs is black in color. So this disease called as black lung disease. So this is ending of the topic. Thank you.